This catalyst is driven more in its car technology. Right now, what we're looking at is ramping production of its semi, and also the expected or the anticipated full approval of full self-driving in the EU. Both of those things will help to juice the long-term revenue outlook and affirm the company's technology and its recent expenses and R&D expenses. I think that longer term, SpaceX could be a very big catalyst for Tesla because the chatter that I've started to hear now is that Musk's ultimate goal will be to combine Tesla and SpaceX. To me, that seems like a smart move on his part. He likes to be in control of what's going on. He has controlling ownership of both companies. Ultimately, all these technologies are kind of funneling together to help advance the space race because he really wants to go to space and colonize Mars. And what do you need more for colonization of space than electric vehicles? And then robots and other technologies to support those things. So I think over time, that's probably going to happen.
We've had people on this channel talking about that exact speculation that eventually this will be one large company all under the Elon empire.
Right.
Let's talk a little bit more about how big of a deal it is to see more countries approving the autonomous driving factor. Not only countries, but the individual consumer companies who would be using semis to transport their goods. Do you think they're going to be slow to adopt this still relatively new technology until they see the proof in the product?
Right now, these are two different catalysts. The semi-production is for these long-haul trucks, and they're starting to ramp productions. The full self-driving is more focused in the commercial in the passenger vehicles. They've gotten approval in the Netherlands, and based on EU laws regulations, Netherlands approval paves the way for accelerated approvals throughout the EU. What this does for Tesla isn't so much as expanding its ability to sell cars, but it does open up a new revenue stream because the company is shifting from a one payment for full self-driving to a subscription service, which means that they would open up a new recurring revenue stream for owners of these vehicles.
So Tesla is on your buy list in June. Let's look at the chart action a little bit. This one is always volatile. There's always moves in it. What do you think about where the chart is today?
Well, it looks like this market is trying to move higher. We're certainly strengthening on the support end. Resistance is still up there in the 440 to 480 range, but it looks like we'll be testing that level pretty soon. We get some positive news, good results, improvement in profitability, some new pathway to revenue opening up. This stock could easily move above the 500 level and set new highs.